I would classify myself as a nutter. And the only reason I made this machine was to enable me to get from my house directly to my boat and then back again to my house. Just a bit cold, that's all. Nothing to worry about. The advantage of the lawnmower is that it's already got the drive through the wheels, and also it's got the other cutter motion under the lawnmower, so it was reasonably easy to connect the cutter to the prop at the back, so that's what we did. I was quite concerned about the local authorities, so I actually walked into the Chichester police station and explained the position, and they said, oh well, don't worry, we'll get the vehicle inspectorate to come and look at it. So they came and saw the land tender at my garage, and they went away and didn't hear from them for some time. So I rang up Bristol, the head office, and they said, oh well, we've sent it on to the DVLA in Portsmouth. So I rang up the DVLA and they said, oh, we're going to treat it as an invalid carriage, providing it doesn't go more than 8 miles an hour on the road. La ba ba ba, lo lo le, la la lo lo, la la de o de, la ba la la ba la. La ba